What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Moan. Today we're going to be taking a quick look at how to reset the oil life on a 2019 Dodge Challenger. Like I said, this is a 19 Challenger in the video, but it will be the same on several different years. So in order to reset the oil life, we need our ignition in the run position. Then we're going to come over here and we're going to be using only these buttons on the left-hand side of the steering wheel. So I'm going to focus in on the dash, but just so you know which buttons I'm pressing, when I say I'm pressing left or right, up or down, and OK. All right, so these will be the only buttons I'll be using. So depending on what screen you're starting from, you'll need to scroll up or down until you get to screen number 2, vehicle info. And then once you're here, you'll scroll left or right until you get to the oil life percentage. And as you can see, this one's already at 100%. But in order to reset it from once you're on this screen, you'll press and hold down the OK button. And then it'll reset to 100%. So that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.